How to log Google Chrome profile with password. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you the quick way to log Google Chrome profile with password. Do watch the video till the end so that by the end of the video, you'll learn how to do it. Without much ado, let's dive right into the video. Click three dots at top right corner of the screen. On this drop-down menu box, select Extensions. Now select Manage Extensions, or you can click on Visit Chrome Web Store. Instead, you have to wait for a few moments until this page loads on your device. Select Extensions next to Discover. Now click on the search bar at top of the screen. And you need to type in your lock Chrome. Once you finish typing, press Enter on your keyboard. Here are different kinds of applications that help you to log Google Chrome profile with password. Simply you can click on the first app that says Save Password for your browser. Once you open it, click on Add to Chrome button at top right corner of the screen. Now click on Add Extensions. A pop-up box appears on your screen that says Save Password for your browser. Simply, you need to know that the password must be simple, maybe 2 letters. So let me keep the password here 00 and now click on the OK button. So you can click on the OK button again. So every time you open the Chrome browser, you have to enter the password. So let's see it. So as you can see, you have to enter the password. So after you have entered the password, click on the OK button and you have get access to your Chrome browser. So that is how we can easily log Google Chrome profile with password. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment and don't forget to subscribe for more tech and tips videos.